The Realme GT8 Pro is already out in China and is coming to the global scene later this month. Realme is set to unveil an exclusive GT8 Pro Aston Martin F1 limited edition model in China on November 10th. The Realme GT8 Pro introduces the industry's first mechanical modular design that allows users to detach, assemble, and swap components. The camera deco module can be replaced with different shapes and finishes, giving the device multiple visual identities. The GT8 Pro will be available in white, blue, and green. GT8 Pro is not only focusing on the looks, as it brings a capable triple camera setup headlined by a Ricoh-tuned main camera. It features a 50-megapixel Ricoh GR certified main camera with a 1/1.56-inch sensor, 7p high transmission lens, and 5-layer anti-reflective coating for cleaner, distortion-free images, and 50MP ultra-wide lens. A 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 periscope telephoto camera sports a 2K 144Hz display with 7,000 nit peak brightness and advanced eye protection features. An ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor paired with 16GB RAM and their one gaming display chip. The device packs a 7,000 mAh battery with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging support, and bypass charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.